See, when you're done, you save the video, okay?
Is it started?
Started, yeah.
Oh, hi everyone. I'm at the Wu Healing Center in Maynard. I'm cooking lunch. This is a stir-fried beef and bitter melon dish that I learned from Dr. Wu. Oh, need a little more salt.
We're out.
There you go.
Don't think he has a spare.
So this is an easy dish. First you saute the beef, and then you put in the bitter melon, and then let it cook for about a couple minutes until once the bitter melon is soft. You put some salt. If you want, you can put a little pepper for seasoning. Smells very good. This is a good example of Chinese cooking, the yin and yang. The beef is a kind of has a warming function, and the bitter melon has a cooling function. It's a good balance of yin and yang. So I'm finished here. If you want, towards the end, you can add a little bit of a few drip of sesame oil. That gives also a good pop up of flavor too. If you want to do that, and sesame oil is also good.
Right up above you is a bowl that's probably big enough.
Yes, thank you, Judy.
On the right side.
Yeah. Oh, we need a big one.
That's what I thought.
There we go. You can see. Okay, gonna take it out. We can feed an army with all the food.
Yeah.
Okay. See, Ming have another dish already prepared. The ingredients look like there's ginger, and that's cabbage. Cut into very thin slices. So we'll do a stir fry of this too. I'm gonna wash the pan first. It's very easy to clean because it's hot. You can do that with stainless steel pans. Some pans you don't want to put into the cold water right away. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the fire up. So I'm heating up the pan. Also, at the same time, make sure if you just wash the pan, you want to make sure all the water is gone before you put oil in there. Otherwise, you get a surprise.
You might want to turn the ring. That thing is supposed to have the handle rest on it.
This side, like this.
Beautiful.
There you go.
Makes
Thank
it a little
you.
easier.
That's much better. That's why they have this little edge on there. Okay, so now I can see there's still a little bit of water left. It's getting smaller and smaller. Yep. So now the pan is dry. We'll put in, with that amount of the cabbage, it's probably like a whole head of a cabbage. We'll put in probably like about 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. It's about 2 tablespoons. So I'm swirling the oil around a little bit, so I have the oil coating all around the pan, so the vegetable doesn't stick. once the oil is getting a little hot, I'll put down the ginger first. Let the ginger have a little chance to get sauteed, and you can smell the nice aroma to come out. Okay. One-handed. Okay. Pour everything in there. The Chinese cooking, we like to hear the sound. Like we like to have a busy cooking experience. Hear this. That means that's good. It means the oil is hot enough. Okay. Give it a quick stir. That's why it's called stir fry. This is when you put the vegetable or meat into the pot, the pan, and you keep stirring it. So just to make sure that it's evenly heated. Also, whatever flavor that you're adding in will be also evenly distributed. You can adjust the heat of the fire as you go. We don't usually put salt in right away because once you put salt in, and the water from the vegetable will come out, and that this way the temperature will go down. So it wouldn't be. We wanted you want to have a hot pan, so you actually kind of fry in a way. High heat cooks faster, also tastes better. So you add the salt towards kind of the end. Once the vegetables started to kind of soften a little, you add the salt in and other flavoring in. Okay, the pan is pretty hot, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of water. If your pan isn't as hot, you don't need the water. It all depends on, the condition you're cooking in. A lot of cabbage. There we go. I'm going to add salt in now because it's softened a little. So I'm adding about one, maybe half to 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt to taste depends on how much you like. Just keep stirring as it goes. It's a good exercise too. If you did add water in, you just want to make sure once the water seems to be all cooked, leave it out, and you can turn it off. It's ready. I'll get another bowl.
I can't see over there.
Ah.
So you might.
So that's it. is placed on the top. Is that stop? Is it?
It's still going.
Okay.
I did
Bon
some.
appetite.
I did something to it. I don't know
Oh.
whether that's off or not.
Yep. Just, yep.